Wow. Chicken is soft and tender. The soup is delicious, a little spicy, all the flavors. It's just amazing. The garlic, onion, ginger, the soup. Hello wonderful people, welcome to GABBY GA channel. Today I'm going to do one of the popular soup in Ghana. That's the chicken light soup or chicken pepper soup, any way you call it. And my two friends, Genius and Alfred, they asked me to do it. They are my good old friends from village in Kumerica. These guys cannot even boil water to make tea. So they asked me, Gabby, please, you have been doing foreign food. So today, make one Ghanaian soup. We like to do it on our off days. So join me, let's show them how to do it. Yalla! All right, Alfred and Genius, pay attention as I take you guys through the ingredients. So this is chicken pieces from one whole chicken. It was around 1.3 kg. This is cumin powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, salt, black pepper, 60 grams of tomato paste, 1 large onion, 2 tomatoes, okra, 6 pieces of green chili, about 10 grams of ginger, 3 garlic, 1 large carrot, and 1 chicken cube. Alright, so I will roughly chop ginger, half of the onion, the chili, so I'll first blend this one. You don't want the spicy to be very smooth, so this is how it should be, a bit rough. The chicken nicely under running cold water. I'll set the stove to medium. Alright, so we put our chicken in. The tomatoes, I will first remove the core. Okay, the spices. We put salt, toothpaste, about 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, little black pepper, and then the 60 grams of tomato paste. Add the half onion into 4, and then the carrot into 6 pieces. Then the chicken cube. I just wash the blender with little water. I stir it a little bit. So what we are going to do is we will simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes. After we take the tomatoes, the carrots, and the onion, blend together, add more hot water, and then add it back to the chicken. So let's cover and simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's 5 minutes now. Wow, very nice. Bringing out nice flavor from the spices. Wow, this is great. I think the temperature is too high. I lower it again and then simmer for more 7-8 minutes. Alright, 15 minutes now. Oh, very nice. So you can see when the tomato is already made, the carrot is soft, so we can blend now. I'll take them here. We put 2 tomatoes, 6 carrots, okay, carrots, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's better you always count so that you don't leave any behind. And even if you leave behind, you can still enjoy it after the soup is done. Very beautiful. I will use a very hot water because the soup is halfway done, so you don't have to put cold water to bring to square one. So this is very hot water. If you don't have water heater at home, just boil hot water and use to wash your blender and add to the soup. I'll add more water. Beautiful. This is light soup, so it needs more liquid because we don't want our soup to be very thick. So from this time, I will leave it to continue simmering for about 20 to 25 minutes and our soup will be ready. So after that, I will taste the salt if we need to add salt, and I will add the okra also at this stage. This time, no need to cover it again. It's okay to leave it like this. The soup has been simmering for about 20 minutes now. So let me check. I think it needs a little salt. Okay, let's simmer it for 7 minutes more and see the outcome of it. All right, so it's approximately 30 minutes. Beautiful. This tastes real good. Now, fire off. Wow. Chicken is soft and tender. Very nice. The soup is delicious, a little spicy, all the flavors. It's just amazing. The garlic, onion, ginger, the soup tastes really good. Please do try it at home and I know you enjoy it. This is very simple ingredients and the soup is not too thick. You can enjoy it with rice or potato or bread or anything you want to enjoy with your soup. I hope you like this video and will give it a try. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.